Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sarah, your host from myindielifeblog.net. Today we're talking about Google's featured snippets. I'm going to be telling you what they are, and I'm going to be looking at the 4 common types of featured snippet. I've also got a blog that I have linked to in the description below this video, where I go much more in depth to how they affect your website's SEO, how you can try and rank for them and get featured. And also I'm going to give you 5 content ideas so you can get started on creating the content that Google is likely to pick up. So what are Google snippets? Well, Google Featured Snippets is a term for a small area of code that appears on Google search results, and they appear between paid ads and organic search results. So they actually appear above page 1 rankings for number 1 spot in organic search results. So effectively they've become position rank 0. Google will draw from their huge index of crawled websites to create and curate the content that fits into these featured snippets, and they will share only what they deem as the most relevant and helpful to their users in answering a search query question. The idea behind this is that Google want to continually work on ways to improve the search results they're able to bring their users, and also to keep their users on the Google platform without bouncing away and possibly using other search engines to create their queries. Now, there are 4 different common types of featured snippet that you will notice when you're searching for things on Google. These are the numbered list. Now, Google snippets with a numbered list are essentially asking a how-to question, and the answers that they show you are going to be in the form of a process, so therefore the numbered list. So search examples might be how to wire a plug, or the recipe to bake the perfect whole grain loaf. The second example is a bulleted list. So this is an unnumbered list, and a list that appears just with bullet points instead. This answers a similar search query, but effectively answers more of the types of questions that start with what are. So what Google are doing is they are giving a list response, but in an unordered sort of platform, if you like. So the examples that you could consider for a response of this type would be, what are the best tools for social media management? And Google Featured Snippets will give you a list of what they think the most relevant answers are for your search. The third example is a definition or a paragraph featured snippet. And these are really a quick answer to a search query that effectively asks, what is? So a response is usually a meaning or a definition, but it could also be a brief synopsis of a book, on a movie, or maybe even a concise history of. The fourth example is a chart or a table. Now, a chart or a table essentially answers a search query that is asking for data-centric responses. So an example of that could be a form of measurement. So what would 3 inches be in centimetres? Or it could be asking statistical data questions. So for example, what is the number of unemployed currently in the UK? So those are the 4 different types of featured snippets most commonly found on Google search results. If you want to work out how to rank for these and the types of content that you can create in order to gain better SEO, to give you a chance to rank, then I recommend you read the blog post I've got linked in my description. If you've got any questions about Google snippets or anything else related to content marketing, then let me know in the comments below, because I'm always looking for new ideas for videos to feature on the channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.